In this video, we are going to look at Awesome Core. Awesome Core is a collection of most important modules that are critical for Awesome Enterprise to run smoothly. We have about 18 various types of modules which we can use within Core, and then some dynamic modules so that the number can be more, that are used at various places when an Awesome Enterprise platform is being used and it is being executed. So let's see commonly used modules of Core. One of the things to remember is Core modules can also be accessed in other applications using core dot and the module name, the way all other services are accessed. So this is like a core service. So let's take an example of init module. The core init module gets fired whenever WP init event is fired. So any activity that you want to do during WP init, you can perform it here in the init module. Similarly, services module allows you to register various services that you want to use or create. So for example, here is the list of services that we have registered using this set of codes. Some of them are used more commonly, and you can create your own services by using service.add, giving the main through which we will be using the service and the other parameters, including the post type, where we'll create the modules. Then we have register module. This we use can be used to register various post types, taxonomies, menu positions. We already have another video where we talk about how to register various post types, taxonomies, menu positions, etc. using register module. So up till now, what we are looking at was some of those modules that are used all the time. For example, less variables is where we have registered all our less variables that are available to you in any of the css.less shortcodes across all apps. Right. Now, let's see some of those modules that are more theme specific, or when you are browsing the front end of the using monomyth theme, then the modules that get executed. So if you're using monomyth theme, then scripts module gets executed in WP head. So whenever WP head gets fired, our script module gets executed. This is where you can put your CSS, JS that you want to put in header. Then we have common header and footer modules. Uh, so you can create your theme, a header theme and footer based on your design or theme. You can create your header and footer, which is basically this area and this area and this area, using these header and footer modules of core. We also have settings module where we use to specify the global settings using the key value meta pairs. These settings are then available using environment variables. So env.get settings dot say CDN will give you this value, right? Then we have block content layout. Now block content layout is called from monomyth home.php. So if you see this is the output of block content layout. 404 layout, just in case if you want to customize the 404 page, you can use 404 layout module and create your own custom 404 layout for the site. So if you notice, some of the modules are used by Awesome itself, and many of the modules are used by Monomyth theme from the core. So just to give you an idea of from the various modules that we have, content types, Gutenberg blocks, less variables, layout, init, backend init, register, services. These modules are used by Awesome Enterprise for its own operations, while modules like scripts, footer script, header, footer, single content layout, archive content layout, block content layout, post type hyphen archive content layout, etc. are used by Monomyth theme to do their operations. When we will look into theming, we'll look into in more detail these scripts, header footer, single content layout, archive content layout, block content layout modules, and we'll see how they work.